Do you want to land your dream job? Hi, my name is Riya Punjabi and I'm a certified career coach. In the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about how you can land your dream job even in this pandemic. Now, many people fail to get a job. They fail miserably at getting jobs. And you know the reason? The reason is that they don't know where to search for these relevant jobs. Now, 70 to 80% of your job vacancies are hidden in nature. We call it the hidden job market. These are jobs that are never advertised, and yet these vacancies are filled super fast. So if you are somebody who wants a relevant job, you need to know how to tap into the hidden job market. It is also true that 35% people get frustrated and take up jobs which are way below their education level. Why? These are some of the problems that you might be facing. You have no idea what kind of jobs are the most suitable for you. You also don't have clarity on where do you see yourself in your career 5 years from now. You are clueless about the skills that you want to upgrade. You have no idea how to appear confident and create a great impression without even meeting the recruiter. You are ignorant about the different kinds of interviews, the kinds of questions asked in an interview, and you have no idea about how even an email speaks volumes about you, which means you'll not only fail at getting your dream job but also fail at getting a job. Luckily for you, I have a solution. I want to introduce to you my program, the Dream Job Accelerator program. It's a 5-day masterclass which is going to help you literally with accelerating your journey towards your dream job.
Okay, super. Now let's understand what exactly are we going to cover in the Dream Job Accelerator program. It's a 5-day program, and this is what we are going to be doing in the 5 days. So on day 1, we are going to get your career growth clarity. What do I mean by that? We are going to be doing personality tests, and these tests are as per industry standards. So these are industry standard assessments, and you're going to be able to understand your strengths, your weaknesses, what are the most suitable careers for you, and finally you'll start working on what is your ideal job like. Okay, so we are literally going to match your personality with your ideal job, because many a times what happens is people think that a certain job is made for them, but when they get onto that job, they realize that there's a personality mismatch. So it's very important that whatever job you choose, it needs to match with the person that you are, because we don't want to change ourselves, right? So it's important to choose a job that will match as per what we are. Okay, so that's day 1. And of course, every day you're going to have a lot of assignments, and the assignments would be explained to you on the WhatsApp group. Okay, moving to day 2. So day 2 is where we develop your career roadmap. Over here, we're literally going to have a 5-year career blueprint for you, and we're literally going to understand the nuts and bolts of a successful career. So you're literally going to think from different parameters on what is it that you need to work on, what are your skills, what are your interests, your passions, and various other things, and how can all of these come together, help you make your blueprint and become successful in your career. All right, so that's day 2. On day 3, we are going to understand the job search mistakes that we need to avoid. So over here, we are going to learn on how do you go about marketing yourself, because many a times what happens is people think that job search is only uploading your resume on certain job portals. Gone are those days. We are in the age of modern job search. So in this modern job search, you need to understand how do you market yourself. You need to make your elevator pitch. And I know many of you have been procrastinating on that. So on day 3, you're literally going to be done with your elevator pitch as well. And we are also going to have a case study where you are going to help us with certain problems that you solved for people. So it's literally going to be a tool in which you'll be able to market yourself better. All right, moving to day 4. So on day 4, I'm going to help you with the interview success formula. Over here, I'm going to talk to you about the different types of interview rounds, what are the different types of questions people ask, and how your email can speak volumes about you. All right, on day 5, I have a live masterclass with you, which I call the Live Career Acceleration Masterclass. Over here, I'm going to talk to you about 4 core concepts. The first one is why employers are not hiring you. Second, how your degree does not determine your career options. Third, what is the modern way of searching for jobs? And lastly, I'm going to also share some cool networking tips with you. So I hope you're excited about this 5-day Power Pack program. There are going to be assignments. It's going to be rigorous, and you're going to feel like you've done a lot in 5 days, something that you've not done over the years. And definitely after these 5 days, you're going to get much more clarity on what's the route that is meant for you.
All of this at just rupees 499. I have trained over 7,000 people in the last 4 years using the same methods, and they have seen tremendous results. Not only that, if you take action right now and purchase the 5-day Dream Job Accelerator program, I will give you 3 top resume templates worth rupees 1,999 for free. Now these templates will help you to get those interviews. It will help you to create the right impression in front of the recruiter and land that interview. Along with this, I will also give you Success Rituals ebook, Success Rituals checklist, as well as Success Rituals mind map, totaling to rupees 1,525. But you get it absolutely for free. Want something more? I'm also ready to give you a certificate on completion of the program. So to sum it up, you will be getting a clear blueprint for your career with actionable steps in just 5 days that will help you to land your dream job at just rupees 499. So quickly click on the link below and accelerate your journey towards success.